How to fix iPhone green screen problem on iOS 18. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is force restart your iPhone. For that, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. After you force restart your device, your problem might be resolved. Next up, what you have to do is launch your settings app. Now scroll down, navigate to the option of display and brightness. Now you can disable for the option of automatic, likewise true tone, likewise disable for the option of night shift. With that, your problem might be resolved. Next up, what you have to do is check for app updates, launch your app store, click on the profile icon given at the top right corner, click on the option of apps. You're gonna find the list of the apps that are installed in a device. If you see the option of update for any of the app, click on it. Now close this. Launch your settings app. Scroll down, navigate to the option of general, get over to the option of software update. If any new updates are available for your device, just update it to its latest version. If none of these solutions work, reset all settings. Scroll down, click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset all settings and go through the process. If none of these solutions work, it might be the hardware issue. For that, you can visit the nearest Apple store. So these are the ways to fix iPhone green screen problem on iOS 18. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.